it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to talk to you about how to handle and manage tenant parking problems at your rental property. And if you own a rental property, you are bound, almost guaranteed, to deal with tenant parking problems at some point or another. It's just going to happen. So you need to be prepared to handle it, because it could be a total thorn and pain in your side. So let's talk about it. Number one is this: when you get that first complaint, you want to employ the tenant to deal with each other. So a complaint comes in. Joey's blocking my car in. Okay. Did you talk to Joey? Well, no, I didn't. I just figured I'd complain to you. No. Talk to Joey. Let him know. Hey, here's his number. Why don't you leave a note on his windshield? Hey, why don't you do it the old-fashioned way? Knock on his door. Okay, so there's many ways that the tenant can play that card. And all of those ways don't include you. So maybe she knocks on his door. Maybe she leaves the note. Whatever it may be, calls him, texts him, sends him an email, writes him a letter, posts a note on his door. I mean, that's just 6 examples right there. And what that can potentially do is foster and nurture a future relationship. So if she has an issue with Joey moving forward, you won't even hear about it. That's what you want. You do not want to be the middleman or the middle woman. Simple. Because you don't want to deal with that. That's the last thing you want to deal with. You're not making money from it. You're only making headaches and problems. And you have very limited leverage to begin with when it comes to tenant disputes. And that's another topic for another video. Great idea. So if that doesn't work, the next thing I suggest is good old-fashioned custom signs. And I brought some show and tell. Beautiful, right? These are going on a property that I own in good old Woonsocket. And you can see Unit 1L, Unit 2L, 3L, 1R, 2R, and you guessed it, 3R. I'm having a big problem over there. There's 8 parking spaces. There's 6 apartments. And there's still issues. Go figure. There's extra parking. So everybody's getting one spot only, and the other 2 spots, dumpsters go in there. If they figure it out and the problems diminish, I'll move the dumpster. I'll make visitor spots, but they have to earn that. Okay? So label the spots. It's $10 for this, $15. Custom signs, you can get them on eBay. They're aluminum, so they're gonna last forever. Don't get the cheap, plastic numbers. You post them on a stick of wood. Don't spray paint on the pavement. Looks like trash, looks terrible. Don't do that. Get these nice aluminum signs. They look professional. And at the bottom here, the most important thing, if there's ever an issue that a car has to be towed, the sign clearly states that the vehicle is towed at the vehicle owner's expense. So again, not your problem, and it also lets them know up front that if they block somebody in, or if they park in another spot that's not theirs, that's not their designated space, they're subject to tow. Okay? So those are my 2 suggestions today. Number 1, employ the tenants to get friendly, become neighbors, keep you out of it. Number 2, if you still have an issue, get signs. Very simple. If you think of any other solutions, let me know. I'm happy and eager, because we deal with a lot of complaints on a daily basis about parking. And so far, these are our best 2 solutions, and they served us well, and hopefully they will serve you well as well. Once again, Gregory from Nexus Property Management. your property managed.